Hey, you got to install a rivnut, but you don't have a tool, like one of these or one of these. You probably have a grinder somewhere. Use that handle. It's got a hole in the back. They come with all sorts of grinders. And if you absolutely have no metal bars, wait till your wife leaves, grab a butter knife. I made this tool myself, handmade, because I do a lot of 6mm stuff. So you put the bolt inside, you get your rib nut, bottom that out, stick it in your hole, and I got something. Use an impact gun. And there's your perfectly set rib nut. If you don't have a tool you made yourself, this is a grinder removing disc tool. They normally have a hole that fits. Same process. If you're really desperate, and the good thing is the hole's there. You can still scoop some butter.